This time is how to reinstall your Windows. Mine is Portuguese, so I don't know if you're going to follow well. Go to INI on Windows, definition. I think they only have on Windows 11. The others I don't remember having it. Go on system and the 12 play. Where is it? On the 12 recuperation. Enter report PC or reinstall your Windows on the third. Then you have maintain your files or erase everything. Imagine you want to click. Then you can put on cloud or just put normal way. If you don't have this, like an old PC like I have, you can use a pen to boot. I think I have one. A pen with 32 GB, 11. Where is it? Download with Windows 11. If you don't want to pay like $11 for the key. It is create 11, install media. If you see here, download. Now configuration, Windows 11, accept. Language Portuguese, French, blah 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 blah. From Portugal. Recommended Windows 11. Because the other I had was the 10. Better yet. Can choose put on a DVD or a pen. I'll choose a pen. I already have one. Click. Took me like what? Properties. 5 GB on the Windows. And it's done. You choose on the pen. When you do that, then you restart your PC. You put on first. Okay, on the BIOS, I just click delete. When you need to be like clicking like several times. MIT system BIOS peripheral shift set power. This is on BIOS. See the boot, Windows Boot Manager. Without the pen. Now we're going to put the pen. Let's save the end. Now I click again. MIT system by partition 1. Now this is the pen. I just need to click this backward. My pen to be the first and the Windows to be the second one.